Hello everyone. In this video I'd like to show you another favorite of mine. It's in the Valley of Elephants. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Now I remove the reset marker and I will zoom in with a smaller factor. Yes. So this is the interesting area. I will increase the iteration limit to 1000. That's good. And then I will choose another color map, cyclic color map, prism. Okay, here we have it. Then I use the shader and smooth. Okay. Maybe I zoom a little bit out. Okay. And maybe we should take this point as the center. Yes. And then we can rotate the color map. This looks nice, doesn't it? And then we can move a little bit. And here there's an interesting structure. You see here the blue is flowing into this area, then into this, then into this, then into this, then into this, and so on. It looks really great. So this is the prism color map. You can try flag. Not so colorful, but also interesting. Now, if I go to hot, just a normal color map, so nothing is really happening. Yeah, I can also try this cyclic flag, and then one sees some action. Let's try rainbow. Twilight is sometimes also very good. Increase the speed, maybe. Okay, go back. And prism. Yeah, and then we can move further. And so on. So I go to the main point. I start this place in MBN, one spiral whirl, as one spiral, and there's a whirl like this. This is why I choose the name. Yes, this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for your attention.